Hey everybody, well, I'm back and I'm doing another decor piece for my kitchen. Okay, what I have is I just have some more gingerbread, more lollipops, some ribbon, some sugar sticks, and this grater from Hobby Lobby, okay? And I'm just going to put a little bit of the garland that I've been using for filler. Very inexpensive garland, maybe $6. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the lollipops that I made out of fabric, and then one of the lollipops from Hobby Lobby. Then I'll take a couple of these sugar sticks, also peppermint, goes perfect with the theme. Those situated the way I want them. And another one. Then I'm going to put this pick, what's left of it, and I'm going to put that in here too, just to give it a little bit of that vibrant green. Then I have a pick with some peppermint. And another one. And then I have one of the gingerbread that I made out of the plaster of Paris. I'm going to put that there. And then I thought I'd put this guy kind of in the back, kind of just peeking out. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this ribbon okay, and then I just made a little bow and I'm just tucking it in there, literally tucking it in there and just puffing out the little loops right here, and that's the way I want it. I don't want to tie it here, I don't want to glue it anywhere. And then I'm going to take my leftover ribbon and I'm just going to put it in here, just so a little of it sticks out there. I want it. Okay. All right. So we have everything in there that I am going to use for this little grater. And then we're going to put him back here. And that's it. Okay, so I just wanted to come down and show you closer. So there's one of our little gingerbread made out of the foam. And there's that pick that I used a lot of for that Mackenzie Child's DIYs. And then here's one of the lollipops I made. It's a rag lollipop. There's a little lollipop from Hobby Lobby. And then my sugar sticks. And another gingerbread from plaster of Paris that I made with some other little picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. And there's my ribbon, my bow I should say, shoved in there, and I deliberately wanted it that way. I just kind of wanted it in there where it was kind of poofing up from the gingerbread, so that was deliberate. But anyway, I just wanted to show you closer. I hope this inspires you to take a grater of yours, a flour sifter, whatever you have. Just put some of your decor in it, put it in your kitchen. It'll look adorable. Guys, remember, until we get together again, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.